When it comes to French cuisine, one vegetable that often takes center stage is the leek. With its delicate flavor and versatile nature, leeks have been a staple in French cooking for centuries. Whether you want to impress your guests with a fancy dinner or simply enjoy a delicious and healthy meal, mastering the art of cooking leeks French style is a must. In this step-by-step guide, we will explore the health benefits of leeks, how to select and prepare them, and share a mouth-watering creamed leeks recipe that will transport your taste buds to the streets of Paris. Before we dive into the culinary realm of leeks, let's take a moment to appreciate the health benefits they offer. Leeks are packed with essential nutrients, making them a fantastic addition to any diet. They are an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and manganese. Leeks also contain powerful antioxidants that help boost your immune system and protect your body against harmful free radicals. Additionally, they are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great choice for weight management and digestive health. So not only do leeks taste amazing, but they also provide a plethora of health benefits. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. To embark on your journey of cooking leeks French style, it is crucial to know how to select and prepare these elegant vegetables. When choosing leeks at the grocery store or farmer's market, look for ones that have firm, straight white bulbs and dark green leaves. Avoid leeks that are wilted, discolored, or have dry, cracked skin. Once you have your leeks, it's time to get them ready for cooking. Start by trimming off the root end and the dark green tops, leaving only the white and light green parts. Slice the leeks lengthwise and rinse them thoroughly under cold running water to remove any dirt or grit trapped between the layers. Now you are ready to bring out the flavors of leeks in your French-style cooking. Creamed leeks are a classic French dish that perfectly showcases the delicate flavor and silky texture of this versatile vegetable. Follow this step-by-step guide to create a mouth-watering creamed leeks recipe that will have your taste buds dancing with joy. To create the perfect creamed leeks, you will need the following ingredients. 4 leeks, white and light green parts only, sliced. 2 tablespoons of butter. 3 2 cloves of garlic minced. 4 1 cup of heavy cream. 5 salt and pepper to taste. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the sliced leeks and minced garlic and sauté until the leeks are soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Be sure to stir occasionally to prevent them from burning. Reduce the heat to low and pour the heavy cream over the sautéed leeks. Stir gently to combine the ingredients. Allow the mixture to simmer for about 10 minutes or until the cream has thickened and coats the leeks. Once the cream has thickened, season the creamed leeks with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a final stir and then transfer the dish to a serving bowl. Creamed leeks are best enjoyed hot and can be served as a side dish or as a topping for grilled meats or roasted vegetables. While the classic creamed leeks recipe is a culinary delight on its own, there are several variations and additions you can explore to elevate the flavors even further. Here are a few ideas to inspire your creativity in the kitchen. 1. Herb-infused cream. Add a burst of fresh flavor by infusing the cream with herbs like thyme, rosemary, or tarragon. Simply simmer the herbs in the cream for a few minutes before adding it to the leeks. 2. Cheesy goodness. For a decadent twist, sprinkle grated Gruyere or Parmesan cheese over the creamed leeks just before serving. Let the cheese melt and become golden and bubbly under the broiler for an irresistible finish. 3. Crunchy toppings. Add a contrasting texture by topping the creamed leeks with toasted breadcrumbs, chopped nuts, or crispy bacon bits. The crunchiness will provide a delightful dimension to the dish. Feel free to experiment with these variations or come up with your own unique additions. The beauty of cooking leeks French style lies in the endless possibilities to tailor the recipe to your taste preferences. Beyond creamed leeks, French cuisine offers a wide array of mouth-watering leek recipes that are worth exploring. Here are a few popular ones to expand your culinary repertoire. 1. Quiche with leeks and Gruyere cheese. A savory pastry filled with a creamy mixture of leeks, eggs, milk, and Gruyere cheese. This classic French dish is perfect for brunch or a light dinner. 2. Potage parmentier. Also known as leek and potato soup, this comforting dish combines leeks, potatoes, onions, and broth. It is traditionally served hot and can be enjoyed as a meal on its own or as an appetizer. 3. Grilled leeks with vinaigrette. Take your leeks to the grill for a smoky twist. Drizzle the grilled leeks with a tangy vinaigrette made with Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, and olive oil for a refreshing and light side dish. These are just a few examples of the many delightful ways to incorporate leeks into your French-inspired meals. Let your palate be your guide as you explore the rich world of leek-based dishes. Cooking leeks French style requires some finesse, but with a few tips and tricks, you can ensure your leeks turn out perfectly every time. Here are some insider secrets to help you master the art of cooking leeks. 1. Thoroughly clean the leeks. As mentioned earlier, leeks can trap dirt and grit between their layers. Rinse them under cold running water and use your fingers to separate the layers and remove any debris. 2. Sauté before simmering. Sautéing the leeks before adding any liquid helps enhance their flavor and brings out their natural sweetness. This step also helps remove excess water, preventing your dish from turning watery. 3. Don't overcook. Leeks have a delicate texture, and overcooking can make them mushy and lose their vibrant green color. Keep a close eye on them while cooking and remove them from heat as soon as they are tender. 4. Pair with complementary flavors. Leeks have a mild and slightly sweet flavor that pairs well with a variety of other ingredients. Experiment with herbs, spices, and different cooking techniques to find the perfect flavor combinations that suit your taste. By following these tips, you will be well on your way to becoming a leek cooking expert and impressing your friends and family with your French-style culinary skills. Now that you have mastered the art of cooking leeks French style, it's time to explore how to serve and pair them with other dishes in the realm of French cuisine. Leeks can be incredibly versatile, and their subtle flavor complements a wide range of ingredients and flavors. Here are a few ideas to inspire your culinary creativity. 1. As a side dish, serve creamed leeks alongside roasted chicken, grilled fish, or seared steak for a luxurious and elegant meal. The creamy texture and delicate flavor of the leeks will enhance the main dish without overpowering it. 2. In tarts and quiches, incorporate leeks into savory tarts or quiches for a delightful appetizer or light lunch option. Pair them with cheese, eggs, and other vegetables for a well-balanced and satisfying dish. 3. In soups and stews, add leeks to soups, stews, and casseroles for a burst of flavor and texture. Their mild taste blends seamlessly with other ingredients, adding depth and complexity to your culinary creations. 4. In salads, thinly slice raw leeks and add them to salads for a refreshing crunch and a hint of onion-like flavor. Combine them with fresh greens, herbs, and a tangy vinaigrette for a vibrant and nutritious salad. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to serving and pairing leeks in French cuisine. Let your taste buds guide you, and don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations to create your own culinary masterpieces. As with any culinary endeavor, there are a few common mistakes that can easily be avoided when cooking leeks French style. By being aware of these pitfalls, you can ensure that your leek dishes turn out perfect every time. Here are some mistakes to steer clear of. 1. Not cleaning the leeks thoroughly. Failing to clean leeks properly can result in a gritty and unpleasant texture in your dishes. Take the time to rinse them thoroughly and remove any dirt or grit trapped between the layers. 2. Overcooking the leeks. Leeks have a delicate texture, and overcooking them can lead to mushy and unappetizing results. Keep a close eye on them while cooking and remove them from heat as soon as they are tender. 3. Using only the white part. Leeks have both white and green parts, and each contributes unique flavors and textures to your dishes. Don't discard the green parts. Instead, slice them thinly and use them in your cooking to add depth and complexity. 4. Not seasoning properly. Leeks have a mild flavor, and they benefit from proper seasoning to bring out their best. Be sure to taste and adjust the seasoning of your leek dishes to ensure they are balanced and delicious. By avoiding these common mistakes, you will be well on your way to becoming a leek cooking expert and delighting your taste buds with French-style culinary creations. Mastering the art of cooking leeks French style is a culinary adventure that brings elegance, flavor, and health benefits to your table. From the creamy and indulgent creamed leeks to a variety of other delightful leek-based dishes, French cuisine showcases the versatility and delicate nature of this versatile vegetable. By following the step-by-step guide, exploring variations, and avoiding common mistakes, you can create leek dishes that will transport your taste buds to the streets of Paris. So don your chef's hat, gather your ingredients, and let the magic of leeks French style unfold in your kitchen. Bon appétit! CTA, Ready to embark on your culinary journey with Leeks French style? Try the creamed leeks recipe and let the flavors transport you to the streets of Paris. Get cooking and savor the delights of French cuisine today. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.